Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is if you guys want to override the feeds and speeds that iMachining gives you. Now some of you guys may be going in the past of going to the tool and go to the data and you'll see that we got the locks out, and what they'll do is turn off the wizard and change them right here. The only problem with that is it breaks all the synchronization. So if you guys are trying to achieve, let's say I'm trying to achieve a 12,000 RPM with a feed rate of 289, but I want to keep my chip angle and all that stuff intact, what you guys can do is come, instead of turning off the wizard, you guys can come over to the technology wizard, click on modify cutting conditions. And actually, before we even do that, what I'm going to look at is my chip angle. So I want to run at level 3, but I want to run at a much higher, let's go to view 1, much higher RPM at 12,000 RPM, and keeping my feed rate the same. So what you will need to do is come over and scroll this all the way up to level 8, and now come to your modify cutting condition page, and we'll turn on 12,000 RPM. We'll turn our max cutting angle back to 42 or 45, what it was before. And now, if I go back to my cutting condition page, I'll see that it is now 12,000 as I wanted before. And what happens is, if you guys leave this at level 3, but come over and change these to 12,000 RPM, you'll see that the RPM changes along with it. So what you'll need to do is be at level 8 for those changes to be made for you guys. So just want to share that with you guys for the tip of the day. I know there's it's a little bit much, but any questions, let us know. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.